Hello, I'm Mitali Singh and I'm currently interning under LEXIS and Company. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about legal rights of an individual in quarantine. So recently, we have been listening to this word quarantine since a very long time now. It's been 2 years since the pandemic started, and we are hearing this word quite a few times. So today in this video I will be talking about what are the basic rights of an individual during quarantine or during lockdown. So the practice of quarantine began in 14th century in Venice, Italy, and quarantine is considered the oldest mechanism to reduce the rapid spread of bacterial infections and viruses. So the government also started confining people at their homes with a view to reducing the rapid spread of the coronavirus in India also. So while the government has the right to quarantine people, but the quarantine people too have some rights. Before understanding the same, we need to understand the meaning of two terms, which are first legal rights and second quarantine. So firstly, we will understand the meaning of legal rights. So in strict sense, legal rights are correlative of legal duties and are defined as interest which to law protects by imposing corresponding duties on others. Rights are the things that are owned to a man because of the very fact that he is a man or he is a human. So legal right, we can also say that legal right is an interest recognized and protected by a rule of law. Now we'll understand the meaning of quarantine. In general sense, quarantine is a restriction on the movement of people which is intended to prevent the spread of infectious virus or diseases. Quarantine means the restriction of activities and or separation of suspect person from others who are not ill or who are not suffering from any disease. So this is the literal meaning of word quarantine. So now we'll jump on to the next topic, which is rights of an individual during quarantine. So it is true that if someone is quarantined, he does not necessarily have right to be released from it, but he do possess some rights. So everyone has a constitutional right to live with dignity. So there are some rights which a person possesses even though he is quarantined or during the lockdown or under lockdown. He do possess some rights, and such rights are Article 14, Article 21 of Indian Constitution, and there are many such rights which I will be discussing. So Article 14 of Indian Constitution is equality before law. The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law for the equal protection of a law within the territory of India. Article 14 states this. And then we'll jump on to the next slide, which is Article 21. Article 21 provides protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21 states that no person shall be deprived of his or her life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. The basic spirit of our constitution is to provide each person equal opportunity to grow as a human being irrespective of race, religion, caste, community, etc. This means that an individual has the following rights during quarantine. So the following rights which I will be talking about are derived from Article 21 and Article 14. सब मतलब आप मान लो कि सब rights हैं अब under Article 14 and Article 21. So first right is right to get proper food and basic amenities, right to get proper medical and health checkup facilities during quarantine. It also comes under Article 21. Then third, right to be tested for virus at the time of quarantine as per protocol, right to be quarantined in hygienic state, right not to be stigmatized. Then next, right to get a proper place to live with all facilities required with a one-to-one toilet facility. Next, right to be isolated in a single room if any individual is infected or at risk of infecting others. Then lastly, right to age-specific quarantine if multiple individuals are quarantined together. So these are the basic rights which every individual needs to know, that he or she possesses some rights during quarantine. So thank you. That's it for this video. I will see you in my next video.